Hello, everyone, and welcome. We're very glad you're joining us for this asynchronous workshop. The title of our research is TEFL Community Service, Classroom Intervention in Public Education to Improve University Degree Programs and Academic Performance of Primary School Children. I'm María Cristina Basantes from Universidad 𝗘𝗶𝗃𝗂𝗴 ULEA, and I've had the privilege of guiding this project both academically and in the field.
Hello everyone, I'm Luis Alexander Rodríguez, the co-author and newly graduated teacher. This study represents a unique opportunity to explore how real-life teaching experiences can impact both public school students and those preparing to become English teachers. We hope this presentation inspires new ideas and collaborations.
To begin with, let's understand the motivation behind our project. In Ecuador, English is not a subject of primary concern in public elementary schools. However, there is a growing demand from parents, school leaders, and communities who want children to become proficient in the language.
Despite this interest, many public schools face a shortage of qualified English teachers. So in some cases, future teachers would work in their both language skills and pedagogical tools to teach effectively. So in 2023, ULEM launched the TEFL in Community Service as a new modality for obtaining the degree. It's a form of service learning designed to integrate academic preparation with the real classroom practice.
This initiative allows future teachers to work in public schools for an entire academic year as part of their graduation process. But more than that, it's a way to offer quality language instruction to under-resourced schools while students learn what truly means to be a teacher in the real world.
The methodology we used in this research was exploratory action research, which is flexible and participatory approach that supports continuous professional development for teachers. It allows us to investigate teaching challenges and take meaningful action based on reflection.
Our participants were 24 students aged 8 to 9 years old from a low-income background attending Pedro Fermín Ceballos Elementary and High School in Manta, Ecuador. They had very limited access to formal English education.
Before the intervention, we administered a diagnostic test to assess their skills in vocabulary, grammar, listening, reading, writing, and speaking. I applied TEFL lesson plans based on 3 methodological frameworks: PDP, pre, during, and post, 𝗘𝗏, encounter, clarify, remember, internalize, and fluency, and the last one, writing process. After the instruction, a post test was administered to evaluate improvements.
In addition, we conducted an open-ended interview with the practice teacher to explore his reflections, challenges, and development during the TEFL community service experience. These qualitative insights gave us a fuller picture of the pedagogical impact of the program.
The pretest found significant weaknesses across all English skills, especially in grammar, writing, and speaking. For example, many students didn't know the days of the week or basic verbs. Some had never been exposed to structured English lessons before.
After applying adapted lesson plans and targeted strategies, we observed clear improvements in student performance. Speaking scores almost doubled. Writing went from barely 12% achievement to over 90%, and grammar accuracy also rose dramatically.
To overcome resource limitations, I relied on creative solutions, like using visual prompts from other subjects, drawing in class, adapting social media content for vocabulary, and even incorporating physical activities in a schoolyard. This made learning more engaging and interactive.
Listening was a challenge due to the lack of equipment, but short adapted audios and blogs helped. More importantly, the experience gave the practice teacher not only tools to design lessons, but also insights into how to adapt his lessons and survive in real classrooms.
The interview showed how lesson planning evolved from basic designs to more structured and differentiated plans. Assessments also improved, from repetitive vocabulary tests to varied and meaningful activities. Overall, the project significantly enhanced both students' learning and teachers' professional growth.
So, what can we conclude from this experience? First, TEFL community service that lasts a whole academic year for the same teacher in charge is a powerful model that merges academic learning and real social impact. It empowers future teachers to build confidence, creativity, and adaptability while contributing to public education.
Second, the use of structure frameworks like PDP, ECRIF, and the writing process will be used to make lesson planning more coherent and effective, even when resources are scarce. The strategies are flexible and can be tailored to the learner's needs.
Third, the results confirm that children in under-resourced schools can make significant progress in language skills when instruction is well-planned and student-centered. Even simple materials used creatively can make a big difference.
Finally, we recommend that universities in Ecuador and elsewhere rethink their TEFL curriculum. They should include real-life internships that reflect the public school realities, such as overcrowded classrooms, students with special needs, lack of technology, and absence of textbooks.
We also advocate for the collaborative design of educational materials with students from other careers tailored to public schools, involving TEFL professionals and students in the process. These changes can improve teacher preparation and contribute to educational equity in the country.
Thank you so much for listening. We truly hope our experience has offered you valuable insights or ideas to apply in your own context.
If you'd like to learn more, share your thoughts, or collaborate in future teacher or service learning initiatives, feel free to contact us to the email addresses listed in front of you.
Let's keep building bridges between the university and the community, one lesson at a time. Gracias y hasta pronto.